Welcome to week 6, and we were going to talk about weather systems. And in particular, in the first video 1, we're going to talk about what weather systems are and systems in general. And then in video 2, we will review and expand on the different scales of atmospheric circulation. And then in video 3, we'll discuss the details of global circulation patterns. And then we'll talk about air masses, weather fronts, and cyclones in their own separate videos. So, what is a system? Hopefully this is familiar from week 1. Well, a system is an interacting or independent group of items that form a unified whole. So there's individually working parts that come together to make a larger item work. A physical system is a collection of physical processes linked by the flow of matter and energy. A good example would be the water cycle. And what a weather system is, it's a set of interdependent atmospheric conditions and processes that produce a specific type of weather. So if we talk about the Earth as a system, we have 3 different systems that work together to form our Earth: the lithosphere, the biosphere, the hydrosphere, and the atmosphere. This class, we focus on the atmosphere. The Earth, if we talk about the Earth as a system, the whole entire planet is closed in regards to matter, but open in regards to energy. If we were to zoom in on just the hydrosphere and look at the hydrologic cycle, if we look at this circulation of water, it is closed in regards to water, so this cycle does not lose or gain water from outside of it. But it does gain and lose energy. So it's open in regards to energy and closed in regards to water. When we talk about weather systems, like I said before, there's a whole bunch of different atmospheric conditions that work together to produce a certain pattern, like a hurricane or a tornado. Some of these conditions include high and low pressure systems, air masses, specific circulation patterns, latitude, temperature, so on and so forth. And we're going to get into some of these things in the next few videos. So one of the things that helps to drive these weather systems is because of the Earth's orbit around the sun, its rotation on a tilted axis causes some parts of the Earth to receive more or less solar radiation than others. This should be familiar to you from week 2 when we talked about energy. Because of this difference, we see varying weather patterns in different locations, and we also can see similar weather patterns at similar latitudes. We'll get into that in the next few videos. So we'll come back in the next video and review some of these patterns and scales of atmospheric circulation.